Welcome to this tutorial where we'll show you how to add a logo to your dashboard. Logos can give your dashboard a personalized touch. Keep in mind, using an .svg file with a transparent background and no empty space is recommended for the best results. If you prefer using a .png file, ensure it has a minimum size of 420 x 180 pixels and a maximum size of 840 x 360 pixels, both at 72 dpi. The file size should not exceed 50 kilobytes. Let's get started. First, we have to navigate to the Dashboard Composer. Select the Dashboard tab on the left side menu and click on the dashboard you wish to edit. Once you're inside the Dashboard Editing menu, you'll find a mobile preview on the left and design settings on the right. To add a logo, click the small black plus symbol sign located at the top left corner of the mobile preview. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you can easily add your logo. To add your logo, you have three options. First, you can drag and drop your logo file into the Drop Image area. Alternatively, you can click the Upload New File button to select your logo from your computer's library. If you have uploaded the logo beforehand, you can select it from the media library below. Once your logo is selected, it will replace the plus icon on the preview. If your logo is white and not clearly visible on the preview, don't worry. It will be displayed on top of other dashboard elements. When the logo is selected, two icons appear next to it. The first icon lets you change the logo to a new one. The X icon removes the logo, but don't worry, it can be added again whenever needed. Don't forget to save your progress before viewing the changes on the app or closing the window. You've successfully learned how to add logos to your dashboard. This simple step can add a touch of identity to your dashboard design.